Collision, Andromeda and milk. It's not the first and not the last. In space the stars are stretched after 5 on the highway. Collision, Andromeda and milk. We on the earth have learned of Ore. Don't be afraid. Collision, Andromeda and milk. If there are parishioners, the black holes, don't let gravity-noggin from the Milky Way monopolize the majority of matter. Collision, Andromeda